The question is that, is he good for you? I will explain you how to find out if the guy is good for you. Is he worth it to spend time with and put your energy on? We don't know, but we can know with these steps that I'm gonna explain to you in this video. Hello loves, it's Alina again, and I'm here to help you in another relationship matter. Is he good for me? Very easy and simple. In this short video, you're gonna know if the guy will be good for you, or the guy you're with currently is good for you, or is a waste of time. One of the short things: he promised a lot. Here, one of my followers wrote me that her boyfriend is promising so much. But let me tell you, my girl, the one who promised they will stay forever will leave the soonest. Smart people never promise because they know life is unexpected, and promising is equal to nothing.
Otherwise, it can be considered as a sweet thing to say. I don't know, I promise I will marry you, I promise I will never let you go from my life,
I promise I will always treat you like a princess, I promise, I promise, I promise. Smart people don't promise. And if your boyfriend is promising so much other than those sweet moments that you need to hear something sweet, he's probably not good for you. Next thing has been not mentioned in any dating podcast I've listened to, but come here, I will tell you. Look who he's listening to. Look at his favorite celebrity.
the person who's listening to, the podcast he's listening to, the people he's following on Instagram.
So be always wise and conscious. Who are his role models? If his role models are OnlyFans managers, Andrew Tate, I don't know, those guys who are not valuing women, those guys who are advertising that women are always there for you only for your money, or having 2 or 3 girlfriends at the same time, those guys are out there in social media advertising these type of things. Is he listening to that? Sometimes check what is he
Liking on Instagram, or how his feed on YouTube look like. It actually shows you a lot.
The next thing is that he has too much comments on the other girls. Just know, the way he talks about the other girls representing how he will talk about you. So don't be happy when he talks shit about the other girls. The next thing you can actually predict what a partner he gonna be with you is the way he treat his mother. The way that he treat his mother is actually the way that he gonna treat you in long term. So if his relationship with his mother is like
He's always get bored over his mother. Sometimes he doesn't
answer the mother's call, or the way he treats the mother is not respectful, as his wife,
he gonna end up treating you exactly the same way he treated his mother. So that's another hack that you can actually know.
So go and watch how he treats his mother and decide if he's your man or he's a time waster. Last but not least, you can know if he's your man and he's actually seeing any future with you by the amount of money and time he's spending with you. If you see in overall he doesn't value his time so much, the time thing is not so important.
Because if he doesn't value his time in overall, he would spend it on you or anything else. It doesn't mean that you actually mean something special to him.
And if yes, how much time he spent on you. Another thing is money. Money is valuable to everyone, whether the rich one or the not rich ones. Go and see how much money he spends on you, how much money he invests on you, because you're like an investment to him. The more he spends on you, the more he wants to keep you.
From his spendings, whether money or time, if he values time, you can see in his mind if he has a future with you or he's just wasting your time.
Thank you for staying with me all this video long. Can't wait to see you on the next video, which gonna be another game changer secret in terms of relationships. Love you.